Hi teachers, welcome to 60-second lessons where we give you fun lesson ideas in under a minute. Today we're exploring pollination with a hands-on STEM activity. Here's what you'll need: the anatomy of a flower worksheet from Super Teacher Worksheets, large popsicle sticks, markers, pipe cleaners, tissue paper or coffee filters, a cheese packet from a mac and cheese box. First, hand out the anatomy of a flower worksheet. Have your students fill in the parts of the flower and talk about the importance of pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Next, let's make some pollinators. We're going to build bees.
To the Beemobile!
To make the wings, give your students tissue paper, then fold and cut out wing shapes to create 2 equal wings. You could also use colored paper or coffee filters for the wings. Now take a popsicle stick to represent the bee's body. Cut a pipe cleaner in half and wrap it around the wings to hold them in place on the popsicle stick. The 2 ends of the pipe cleaner will form the bee's legs. Fold the ends slightly upwards to create little feet. Finally, use markers to draw stripes on your popsicle sticks to make your bees look more realistic. Once your students have their bees, it's time to demonstrate pollination. Sprinkle a little mac and cheese powder onto a few students' flower worksheets. Remember, just a few students. Have the kids fly their bees to these flowers, dip the pipe cleaner legs into the pollen, and carry it back to their own flowers. They can repeat this until all the flowers have been pollinated. This activity is a fun way to help students understand how pollinators work in nature. Thanks for joining us on 60-second lessons. See you next time.